here, I guess, we're gonna show her fascination with the ceiling. Notice how she becomes trance-like. And how her feet become completely still.
You should turn around a little, Dad, so they can see her.
Yeah, you need to...
Dangling.
There you go. Kicking, kicking, and then total stillness.
Okay.
Kicking, kicking. Okay.
Yay!
Yay!
What was that?
Poopa!
See if you can get her to walk toward the camera again. That was pretty damn funny.
Okay, now go see Christy.
Come
Go see
here. Come here. Come here. Oh, okay. Yes, hi. Hi.